Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, and today in this video we are going to look at how we can add product filters to our store so that users are able to filter products based on price and the brand maybe, right? So the first thing that I'm going to do is get rid of this sidebar first, because this is kind of a problematic area. So I'll go to appearance widgets. Over here in this sidebar, I have quite a few things, so I'll delete them quickly. Alright, so I have cleared everything, and if I now save, refresh this page, I can see that my site is now taking the entire width. Now for filters, what we need to do is add a new plugin. I'll look for a plugin called product filters. Now I have done a little bit of research initially, and I found that this advanced Ajax product filters is a very good option. You can see it has more than 60,000 active downloads. It has 328 reviews. So that's how I figured out that it would be good, and I tried a few and I found this one to have a lot of flexibility. Alright, so now once you activate this plugin, we will get, if I refresh this page, we will get this B-Rocket product filters menu item. Let's go over here. But before we do that, I'll show you a few things which you need to understand. I have attributes, and inside attributes I have the brand and color attributes. If I go into the brands, you can see I have two brands, which is Audio Technica and Salnote Zero. I should add one more, which is Sony. I think I have added a product for that as well. Let me quickly check. Right, so I haven't added any product to these categories. Let's quickly add them. Okay, this one is, where is my attributes? I'll go over here, brand. Right, I'll save this. Update the product as well. I'm doing this because otherwise you won't understand the filtration which can possibly happen. So I'll just go over here, Sony. This should have an attribute, brand. No, not this one. Just remove it. Should add an existing one, and the value is obviously this. Save, update, and now if I go to that category section, now this is important for the filters to work properly. So I can see that over here I have one product from this brand, one from Sony, and 3 from Audio Technica. Although I think I have not, how many Audio Technicas do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I think I haven't added these two to those categories. I'll do that. But with this in place, the first thing that I'll go is go to filters, add a new filter. I'll call it the price filter. Okay, I'll show you what needs to be done. So with this, I will go to this type of a filter and filter by price. I want this kind of a slider, and I'll hit save. With this, the filter is created. Yes, this is how they say now I can add it, but I will right now go to this page over here, and I'll copy this short code. Once I copy this short code, I'll go to appearance widgets, and in our sidebar there is a way to add a short code. So I'll copy that and paste it over here. With this, if I now refresh, I see my price filter. Now this is a little on the other side, so what I will do is I'll go to customize. This is something which I know from, after playing around with the theme. This configuration will allow me to keep the sidebar on the left hand side, which makes more logical sense. Okay, so this is done, and I need to add one more filter. I'll just say no thanks. Okay, so add one more filter. This time we will do it for the brand. Okay, and I'll show you this particular thing later. One more filter based on attribute, brand, default value ordering, alphabetical, ascending. That's all fine. This is all fine. You can select between a checkbox, this kind of a thing. Radio check will mean that it's, I think, only one option, whereas I will like them to select multiple. Okay, and I hit save to get the shortcode. This is my 116 is the shortcode. I'll add it again like so, and then if I hit refresh, I get this. But over here also this is fine, but this is okay, this is fine, I think. Let me see, just a second. Headphones. All right, this is coming up okay. I think what will happen is, see, on the product detail page, this is creating a problem. I don't want the filter on the product detail page, right? So what we can do is come over here, click the page IDs if they're equal, which means if it is a shop page, category page, taxonomy, or tags, then I would like to show this. This is done to the brand. So now if I hit refresh, the brand has gone because it no longer meets the condition. Now I have the price range. What I will do is come over here, and there is a way to copy settings from, and I'll select that I want to copy the settings from the brand filter. And with this, now if I hit refresh, if you see, the thing is gone, right? So now we have a clear path. It is showing on these main level pages, and I can click on Sony and it will show me that one product. If I unselect that, select Audio Technica, and this is working as well. It is showing that, what is this current page? How do I check filter problem? Short code. Okay, I'll check that later. But as you can see, this is allowing me to do everything which I wanted. However, there is a small problem. I got it. What happened is I copied the settings, and that means it changed from price to a brand. So I'll do this attribute, stuff like that, and hit save. Now it should allow me to filter by price as well as by brand. So if let's go to the headphone section. I have a few products which are more than 20,000. This one, or rather even 10,000. So if I hit this range to less than like so, I have 3 products. And if I extend this and I say that I want products which are more than 10,000, and I'm able to do that. Everything Ajax based, and that's the beauty. And also, if you want, this is a URL which you can use on the home page as well. For example, if you want to create a banner which says special, let's just say our collection of headphones under 10,000, right? If you want to do that, you can do something like this, where you set the filter something like this, right? And with this, I can even modify it, because that is basically in the URL, right? And you just use this URL to create the shop now or view now link, and that takes care of the entire thing. So yeah, that's about it. That's how you put filter using this filter plugin, WooCommerce Ajax products filter. It's a very nice and neat way of displaying the filters. You have a lot of control over what you want to do, and of all the things, I found this to be a very useful stuff. One last thing that I would like to try is, let's just say I create one more, I keep this empty and I do clear filter, right? Because that is also something which I want to do. And again, I'll do this on the category, taxonomies, tags, and shop page. Hit save. Okay, I haven't selected the style, so I'll select the button. And with this, now if I haven't added the widget. It's 117. Copy the shortcode. Come over here. I have 3 now, and I'll just take it to the top. Let me quickly see. That's 117, right? Okay, so the 117th one should come on top like this. Update. It's saved. Okay, the reset button does work, but for some reason it doesn't show a text because I haven't set a text to that button. All right, so I save it, hit refresh. Now it should have shown. Yeah, I can see this. So yeah, clear filter, right? I can do this, electronics. I select all 3 and then I can clear. So that's about it, guys. That's how we can play around with this Ajax filter. It has pretty advanced features and I will definitely like you to explore them. If you have any questions, drop in the comments section below, or you can ping me on the Discord channel as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, then do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.